First, the Expo video. My name is Agi Tri Uzila, and this is Anugerah Pragnyono, and the one who is holding camera is Athallah Raihan. In this experiment, we will show you how to make a volcano eruption.
Built this experiment is a water bottle for storing water. Then there is an empty bottle, some vinegar, baking soda, and if you want the colors to be real, some coloring, food coloring, and finally some soil. What we must do is we must open the empty bottle. Then we pour the water inside of the empty bottle. As you can see. Later, after you put the water inside the bottle, put some baking soda into the water bottle. Make sure it is tidy. I would suggest using a funnel, but and then put the coloring inside of the mixture, the baking soda water mixture, to give it color. Just like that. And then after you finish doing it, shake the bottle. Shake until the mixture is good. The soil, cover the soil completely, but leave a hole on top of it so the lava can go out. Let's try to make it explode. Pour the vinegar in the bottle, which is in the middle, and let's see what happens. Oh. See? Just like a real volcano. Good JJ.
It's our experiment. Thank you for watching our Expo video.